friends, welcome to Simplifying Maths. Our today's topic is Pythagorean theorem. In the Pythagorean theorem deals with the right angle triangle. It deals with the right angle triangle. Now let me draw a right angle triangle. See here, I am drawing a right angle triangle. Yeah, this is the right angle triangle. Let's name this triangle as A, B, C. Right angle triangle has, this is 90 degrees. Here at the angle B it is 90 degrees. So right angle in hypotenuse, in this Pythagoras theorem, the statement is in a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. The square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares of other two sides. The square of hypotenuse. So what is hypotenuse? The longest side. See, this is the longest side, AC. Longest side. This is hypotenuse. Longest side in the triangle is hypotenuse. Okay. In this triangle ABC, AC is the longest side. So AC is the hypotenuse. So for finding hypotenuse, we have this formula, right? AC square. For finding this, the square of hypotenuse, according to the statement, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares of other two sides. What are the other two sides? AB is one side, BC is another side. So sum of squares of other two sides. So AB square plus BC square. We are going to deal with this formula. This is Pythagorean theorem. So let us see a small example on Pythagorean theorem. Our example is in a right angle triangle ABC, they have given that AB is equals to 6 centimeters, BC is equals to 8 centimeters, and we need to find AC. That means AC is the hypotenuse. Let us draw the same right angle triangle that we have drawn before. Let's name the same sides. So let's name it A, B, C. Here they given AB as 6 centimeters, BC as 8 centimeters, and they are asking us to find this using the formula. What is the formula? AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Using this formula, we are going to solve the problem. So we have to find AC square value. That means AC value. What is AB square? What is AB? 6. AB square. So 6 square. What is BC? 8. BC square. So 8 square. AC square is equals to 6 square. 6 into 6. 6 square means 6 into 6. 6 into 6 gives me 36. 8 square. 8 square means 8 into 8. 8 into 8 gives me 64. So AC square is equals to 36 plus 64. I'll get 100. AC is equals to square root of 100. On LHS, AC is squaring. When it comes to RHS, it will give square root. So square root of 100 gives me 10. Why 10? Because 10 into 10 gives me 100. So when I take a square root of 100, I'll get 10 centimeters. So AC is 10 centimeters. Let us deal with another problem. In this problem, they are asking in the same right angle triangle ABC that we have taken before. Here they gave AB value as 3 centimeters, AC value as 5 centimeters, and they are asking us to find BC value. We have only learned formula for finding hypotenuse. So let us see. Let us take the same right angle triangle ABC. In this they have given that AB is 3 centimeters. They have given hypotenuse 5 centimeters and they are asking us to find BC. So our formula is AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Here BC itself is missing. That means we have to find BC. They have given us AC square value, AC value. So we can easily substitute and find it. So AC is 5 centimeters. So AC square. So 5 square is equals to AB is 3 centimeters. So 3 square plus BC square. Because we have to find that value. When BC comes to LHS, BC square, then AC square comes to RHS, AB square becomes minus AB square. So BC square is equals to 5 square, 5 into 5, 25, minus 3 into 3, 9. BC square is equals to 16. BC is square root of 16. What does square root of 16 give? 4 into 4 gives me 16. So square root of 16 is 4. So the answer is 4 centimeters. So if they gave that hypotenuse value also, we can easily substitute the values and check the plus sign and minus sign and interchange the LHS and RHS and we can also find. So here BC is in RHS, it came to LHS and AB became minus. So like that we should interchange and we should write the answer. We should solve it. So when they gave hypotenuse value also and on other side, and if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.